the video. In this video I am going to be attempting to use fiberglass to create nail extensions. This is my first attempt here on my thumb. I think it came out okay. So it comes in little sheets like this, and all I do is I cut a square off, like a rough square, and then measure it against my finger, get it the correct size, and then just using a little bit of base coat, I stick the part that attaches to the nail down, and I flash cure that in place so it doesn't move, as you can see here, and I'm making sure I'm holding it down in the corners. Then I coat the entire thing in the base coat again. Sorry, I got some on my desk there. And then I use these little pinching tweezers to help make the C curve. I give that a cure. Then I put a base coat on the underside, pinch the tweezers again, and then cure for a second time so that everything is covered in a base coat, which you can see that I'm doing here. And then I put a little line of base coat just up the centre of the nail because I want it to have a nice apex on the nail. I don't want the nail to be flat. So I just put a little line going up the centre with the base coat. I give that a full cure, make sure everything is cured all the way through. And then I'm going in with my clear biab. And I always put a slick layer on first, and then I go back in and add the main layer over the top of that slick layer, making sure I'm getting to all of the edges. Turn the finger around just again to help with that apex. Give it a cure just for like 20 seconds, just for it to harden up a bit. Then I go back in with my pinch and tweezers again, give it a full cure. And then you are just going to rinse and repeat that same thing until you get a shape that you are happy and satisfied with. Obviously making sure that you are getting them edges nice and tidy. And this is what it looks like before filing. Not too bad, I don't think. So I filed it off camera, and you can see here how it is lovely and shaped, and I've tapered it in to make it a short coffin, and it has a nice little curve on it. And I think for only my second go doing it, it came out okay. Thank you for watching, guys.